Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of our Swift Elite 880 2021 model. So the Elite 880 being a single axle, 8 foot wide transverse island bed with rear bathroom. The Elite brand being a bespoke brand to us here at Grantham, so you won't find this anywhere else, with some great additional features. You've got the Elite logo that you see on the front there, a carbon fibre front locker box. With the ATC, we had the Elite, we had the ATC trailer control system, the Alco manoeuvring handle. Down the side, we've got an exterior barbecue point, side access hatch to underneath the front couches, an exterior entertainment pod, and also a 240 volt socket. We've got the Elite logo going down the side of the Caravan. In this particular model, you've got a rear access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed. And one of the great additional features for 2021, as you see at the top there, is we have added a reversing camera that comes with a screen to pop in the front of the car. Other key features as well with Swift is these 2-lay bike rack fixings. So you can actually pop a bike rack on the back of the Caravan, should that be a consideration for you. So going into 2021, some of the other changes are the introduction of the two-tone wood lockers that you see here. The fabric scheme for our Elite range has remained the same for 2021, but a bespoke, hand-chosen, hand-selected by us here at Grantham. You've got a large kitchen work surface with stainless steel sink and side top extension, a medium-sized under-counter fridge, an omnivent in the kitchen area, and an easy usable height microwave. The oven benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage located underneath. You have a panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled by a medium-sized Hecky light, giving a great feeling of space in this extremely spacious front lounge area. Nice large chest with short pull-out table and also storage in the drawer there and underneath. You have the PIR sensor for the alarm. On your front binnacle, you've got USB points and also a 240 volt socket, but you see there's blanking plates there, and we can always fit additional sockets at an additional cost should you wish. An idea of that two-tone locker effect as well, showing across there. And you've got your Swift Command, brought in originally in 2019, these new panels with built-in digital DAB radio, a built-in ability to download the Swift Command app, controlling your Caravan via Bluetooth whilst in it, but also via GPRS whilst at a distance. You've got the Alder Wet Central heating system with the control panel above the habitation door there. Your televerse television point on this Caravan is just located by the habitation door, with storage also underneath, a vanity mirror and a tucked away shelf at the top right. Tucked away in this cupboard here, you've got your freestanding table. It's very, very heavy, but nice and solid for the front of the Caravan. Here you see the concertina pull across blind as we step through to the bedroom area with a generous sized wardrobe on the right and storage underneath. The bed is in the fixed position that you see here, but you've got ample amount of space to be able to move down the end of this bed with it being an 8 foot wide model. Second television point located here to pop a TV in the bedroom area should that be a need for you, and also a nice large vanity mirror in the bedroom area as well. That two-tone wood effect going through to the bedroom area and the matching headboard to our bespoke fabric scheme. Further storage to the left-hand side of the bed, both above and also below. Into the bathroom area, you've got a generous sized individual shower cubicle. You've also got a mirror with our Elite logo on it and a quality finish on the sink with storage underneath. An Alder heater in the bathroom area and the heating vent that you see there. Further storage located above the Thetford toilet with a small Hecky light and also dotted mood lighting dotted throughout. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Elite 880 2021 has to offer. If you've got any queries or questions, please feel free to call us. We'd be more than happy to help you, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.